Panang curry, chicken pad krap pork pad krap pad thai and pad krap panang curry, green curry.
Wow.
Hey guys, it's our first day in Bangkok. We pretty much arrived yesterday, and this morning we decided to try some local Thai food, of course, because why not? And we came to a very local market, and we ordered a couple of pad krapaus to try out. Are you excited to try it?
Yes.
I'm super hungry, and it's 10 a.m. in the morning, and apparently many places actually open around 11 because we were like walking around, and many places seem to be closed still. And here is some vibe, very local. We ordered food from that place over there, which only has like what, 2 reviews?
Both 5 stars.
2 5-star reviews. We're staying in a 1-bedroom apartment in on that area, or on Note, whatever BTS station is the closest one to us. And we actually were passing by that station, and we found out that apparently animals are not permitted on the trains. It sounds like it's going to be a bit of a problem to move around with Casper if we need to move somewhere, because apparently public transportation is not really designed for pets. That's gonna be a next challenge to solve. Our food has just arrived. Ta-da! So this is a chicken pad krap that I ordered for myself, and Alex is going to have a pork pad krap. So the chicken one is probably called something else. So tell me, how is it?
I'm really enjoying it. Well, it's really good. I was brave enough to add some chili to my dish, and it makes it even better. So, as you know, not spicy, not tasty.
So we entered Lotus supermarket. Well, I guess we haven't entered it yet, but we're trying to find entrance, and there is like a big food court right here. Looks pretty cool. So this is Lotus supermarket. So it is quite huge. And it has lots of stuff. Looks like Casper finally found his happy spot. Hey, sweetie, what are you doing here? It's a sink. Oh, you're very cute. Okay, so it actually has been 3 days since we got into Bangkok, and we're finally ready to show you guys the apartment. So apartment number 400 on a 7th floor, which doesn't make sense to me, because in Canada, if you are on 17th floor, apartment starts with 17. But anyways, this is the quick room tour. We have a living room here. And Casper found his nice spot already on that very dirty chair that our landlord told us to throw away as she delivered a new one to us. But yeah, basically a very small living room, but very livable. There's some towels hanging already. Here is the view. So apparently that's the nice condominium complex that has a pool and gym. We haven't tried it yet. And interesting solution of having a washer on the balcony. So it was actually raining pretty bad yesterday, last night. So yeah, it was making all that noise and giving error messages. But anyways, here is the apartment. Let me show you kitchen real quick. So we have a proper stove. We already boiled some chicken for Casper, and we have a proper freezer. does not happen all the time. But anyways, Casper, let's go check out the bedroom. So yeah, this is a 1-bedroom apartment, and it has AC in the room as well. It's small, but essentially it has everything we need, and Alex already used that desk to edit some videos. So yeah, queen size bed. Lots of storage, actually. I don't think we need that much, but it does have area here. It also has area over here. So, and I guess the highlight, the bathroom. For Thai bathrooms, this one's actually pretty nice because it has a separate shower area. Sometimes in many hotels or apartments, you literally have a shower hanging above the toilet seat. So that's not the situation in our case. Yeah, this is us. Well, and the famous toilet, by the way. This is Casper's favorite spot. So yeah, I'm not sure. Wow, Casper, do you like the bed? So tell us, do we like the bed? He actually was very cute. He slept last night in the bed with us, which never happened before. So yeah, that was very sweet, but in the middle of the night, he just came there. I think he's pretty attached to us at this point, knowing that there is no permanent home, but there is a permanent couple for him, right? Well, that's it, end of it. And well, I guess not very important piece of information, but here is the apartment key, and it actually used to get into elevator, to all the facilities, and even to get out of the building, you need to just scan it all the time. So yeah, if you lose it, you lose it.
As you can see, AC works pretty fine. I have to wear my hoodie.
Casper, are you curious how much we paid for this apartment that you were enjoying so much? Yeah, I don't think he cares. Well, he's not the one paying for it. But anyways, we basically paid around 300 Canadian dollars for 1 week in that apartment. I bet if we would rent it for 1 month, it would be cheaper. But yeah, weekly prices are a bit better than daily prices. Now there is a life hack. If you travel with a cat and you obviously don't want the cat to ruin someone's furniture, here is what you do. You buy some tape at closest supermarket, and you pretty much cover it all like this. So yeah, as soon as we came in, Casper started scratching this poor couch, and this is what we ended up doing, just making sure that he doesn't spoil anything. So yeah. Casper has found a new spot in this apartment. Yeah, he finds all those weird places. First it was a bathroom sink, now it's the TV shelf, and he can hardly even fit into it. So we're basically talking about the place we're currently staying at. It's a residential kind of condominium complex, and we basically found that place online, and on Agoda it showed up in a kind of pet-friendly list. But when we checked in, the lady sent us a rule on WhatsApp, and one of the rules is basically saying no pets allowed. So technically, our pet is now staying in this apartment illegally. So if someone comes in and sees the cat, we may have a problem, but we are not sure how strict that is. Apparently, there's like a $1,000, like 1,000 baht, not $1,000. I was like, ooh, That would be very expensive fee, but yeah. We're hoping we're not going to have any problems, but essentially we're hiding cat right now. We found a nice local cafe very close to our condominium complex, and it's literally a 5 minutes walk. So this place is cleaner and more civilized comparing to the one we went to yesterday. But I mean, food was still delicious over there, right?
There, yes, but here we're not sure yet.
Yeah.
The price is a bit up on the upper side, I would say.
What did you order?
What did I order? Panang curry?
You
Chicken
ordered
panang?
panang curry and I ordered green curry, and we also ordered papaya salad. So curries here are like 140 baht, and the papaya salad is 70 baht. We'll see. It's gonna arrive in I don't know, probably 5 to 10 minutes. Everything quick in Thailand when it comes to food. So yeah, very exciting to try it out. Our papaya salad came. So yeah, I think it's going to be my very first papaya salad in Thailand because I don't remember ever ordering it, but I ordered one in Vietnam and I loved it so much. Is it good?
Yeah, it's good.
Like in Vietnam? Or different taste?
It's a different taste.
More like sour or salty?
On the salty side, yeah. But honestly, I don't remember the one in Vietnam.
And here are the curries. I ordered the green one with the chicken, and Alex has ordered Penang curry, which is a red one. And I think both of them look really nice. So you ordered chicken as well, right?
Yes, it should be chicken. Oh, that's the thing I remember.
Oh, those are my favorite vegetables that you hate.
Yeah.
I'm about to try my very first curry here in Thailand this time, because obviously it's not my very first time trying a curry in Thailand. Oh my god, that's delicious. I mean, you can't really go wrong with Thai meals. They're delicious everywhere. That's very properly made curry. Oh my god. So much better than in Thai restaurants in Canada. Delicious.
We should learn how to express food emotions like Mark Wayne's. I cannot.
Oh.
Wow.
Let me try yours. Yeah, same good. I like your a bit better, but they actually very good. I think it's amazing. No, it's one of my most favorite meals here in Thailand, the red and green curries. So yeah, very exciting. Very exciting. We came to a very noisy area to eat today. It's another local set of stalls, I guess. And we're just sitting outside waiting for our order of pad thai and pad krapao. So yeah, it's still early in the morning, but Bangkok is so busy. It's very noisy and very lively. I think they wake up at like 5 a.m. or something, right? They start their day pretty early when they go to work.
Well, especially markets like flower markets or fish markets. We should pay a visit one day because I've read a lot about this place. Yeah, beautiful, and you can see how the Bangkok is waking up, and yeah, the rest.
Yeah.
But I shouldn't use article V with Bangkok. Get some choice. Anything else?
Food has arrived. This pad thai looks really good actually. And I like the portions. So this is like a proper size of the portion. Yeah, like in Canada we have like very big portions of food. And here it's like actually proper amounts to fill up. But still, that's a happy place. I think it's Alex's most favorite food, but krapao. He always orders this one. Yeah, and this is actually my first pad thai in Thailand since we arrived. So hopefully that's good. Yeah, as Alex mentioned, today is actually a pretty sunny day. When we arrived to Bangkok a couple days ago, it was pretty much cloudy, and yesterday was very heavy rain, but at night. But today, essentially sun is shining, and I'm already sweating. That's pretty hot.
Okay, it was great.
Great success.
Okay, it was a great 3 days here. Our first 3 days in Bangkok. I'm glad we chose Thailand and Bangkok specifically to as our first destination in our trip, because it has amazing vibe, a lot of things to do, and we have a lot of stuff to watch and to go.
Hard to believe, but it's already been 3 days since we arrived in Bangkok, and days were actually flying like this. And I must say, we enjoy Thailand, and yeah, it's been great so far. We're very happy. We're totally relaxed now. We rested. I think we're getting to our proper sleeping routine. I still have a bit of a jet lag. Not sure about Casper, but he definitely seems to be much happier now, as he can actually walk instead of just flying and sitting in a carrier. Overall, very nice journey so far. So yeah, we love you, Bangkok. Well, thank you so much for watching, and see you guys
In the next video. Bye bye.